everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rochelle. Today I'll have a few packages to open up. I did open up a couple over the past couple days. I've received maybe 1 or 2 packages a day, less. Yeah. I showed you before our Simpsons pillowcase cover. These go for $5, and they're really nice quality. I have a blue one, blue and yellow one, and this is another one. So basically, you get the cover and it has a zipper on it, and and you put your cushion into it. You can buy cushions at like the dollar store. So yeah, I think this is like 45 centimeter by 45 centimeter, something like that. And $5. And they have everything, like anything you can think of. They have pillowcase cover for them. The weather outside's great. It looks like spring's coming, knock on wood. And these are G-strings. I ordered different G-strings, like or underwear, to try out which one I like best. This is just a cheap plain one. So this might be one of my original orders. These are just plain ones. These ones are like 45 cents on AliExpress. So I don't really have very much to say today. This is a cuticle oil. Sometimes it's just empty. And you get like a full one for 50 cents, so I'll have to start a dispute or something for that. One of the packages I opened up, I didn't actually take a look at it, so it's jewelry of some sort. So these are earrings, and these are very much like the last pair of the dangling ones. I can't seem to find where they are. But they're a little thicker. I think they're like $1. So just fake charms. I have a bunch of earrings. Another package I opened up was collagen eye masks. The gold masks. You leave them out for 15 minutes. And those are 30 cents each. And the last package I opened was from Bialco. And it's just skin cream or hand cream for like $1 or $1. I'm expecting probably more packages this afternoon, but I don't think I'll have time to make another video. If I do, I'm going. This is not labeled, but this should be skin bleach for dark patches, whether it's on your knees, elbows, underarms. I did try the other bleaching cream by, I don't know who makes it, and it was about $2 or $3. Same with this, about $2 or $3. It did like work, I think. I wasn't sure. It almost looked like it reduced the darkness by half, but yeah, I'm gonna try this out. So this is what it should be. So that is from AliExpress. That's so stupid. Oh my god. What a ripoff. It was supposed to be, do you see how it looks like there's all these individual pieces? That's actually just a print. So that's like totally ripoff. I know. I'm not happy with that. I think this was $2 to $3 to make a bed. And the last package is large. I know what this is. I'm not sure if I got the exact amount. Oh wow, okay. So yeah, we'll have to count these. And what they are is a bag of magic erasers. Now I don't know if these are up to par with the ones that you buy at the store. The cheapest I've seen magic erasers are like $2 at the dollar store. This was between $3 to $5 for a bag of 100. There might actually be 100 in here. But the size, you can let them in different diameters. You can get 1 centimeter, 1.5, and 2. I think the store ones are about 2. I think this is 1.5. I figured it wouldn't make much of a difference. We'll save like $2, $3 maybe. Like that. These are the sponges that you're supposed to just add water. I think it's going to make Mr. Clean. And it's supposed to help clean almost anything. And whatnot. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And please leave a comment below or like if you like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.